You should have left when I told you. Now, I gotta kill some sea monsters!
So long, evil empire of injustice!
No!
Julia!
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thanks, guys.
I saw them first. The reward is mine. Everyone is horrified and disgusted by you because you are monsters.
Stop! They're not monsters!
Oh yeah? Who are they then?
I know who they are. They are Luca and Alberto, and they are the winners.